President Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa has called on Zimbabweans, particularly the younger generations, to uphold the values of patriotism, unity, national service, demonstrated by the country's liberation heroes. Sarabana Mashuka Numda Pankwa Ine, against President Mnangagwa pays tribute to national heroes. Yesterday, Patona Kuti, he was presiding over the burial of Major General retired Solomon Ruwondo at the National Heroes icon of subscribe all icon on the bell icon. TV na mnaopa kwa ile movement conscience. Addressing the nation during the burial of national hero Major General retired Solomon Ruwondo at the National Heroes Acre, President Mnangagwa described the late liberation stalwart as a loyal and dedicated patriot who served Zimbabwe with unwavering commitment throughout the struggle for independence and beyond. In quotes, we shall jealously defend our sovereignty as we pass the baton to the young generation of emerging heroes, whom we expect to uphold our national pride and safeguard the gains of our hard-won independence, said the President. The President also paid tribute to Professor Herbert Chinyanga, who passed away in South Africa on 2 July 2026, and whose final wish was to be cremated. He praised Professor Chinyanga for his outstanding contribution to national development through intellectual excellence and service. President Mnangagwa urged Zimbabweans to emulate the lives of the two departed heroes by contributing positively to nation building through the private sector, academia, industry, and innovation. Reaffirming the government's commitment to national development, the President said, Vision 2030 is steadily becoming a reality as transformative programs continue to improve the lives and livelihoods of Zimbabweans. In quotes, my government will continue implementing development and transformation programs that touch the livelihoods of our people as we build an empowered and prosperous upper middle income economy by 2030, he said. Doma developments are Buddha Pangwa and a comment section mediums of good aim to leave himself a chit. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.